Hi guys, today we are going to do a Fortnite Pancake Art
Challenge!
And of course I have Chad here with me. We have a hat here filled with Fortnite loot items that we're going to be making.
The loser of each one of these that you guys vote is gonna have to destroy theirs. First, we're making Chug Jug! Oh, is this what I'm supposed to do?
No, Chad, we're supposed to make an art, not jug it. Chug it. Alright, ready?
Go!
Crap.
Oh man! Super runny.
We're not gonna be able to have any control.
Filling in my blue liquid right here. I'm gonna be ready to chug this later. I'm gonna get some sweet armor after chugging this.
So my jug's pretty full because I actually.
What about your jugs, V?
So anyways, I forgot that it's actually half full in the picture only, but mine's full because life is, you know, always full.
You're full of life.
Yes. Dude, this is so bad. Chad, how come I always ask you to do art challenges with me? I don't know why, because you always win. I'm done.
What?
I mean, mine's just really I just messed up so badly that I'm like, I'm not even gonna recover.
Oh, these are gonna be horrible. Oh. Rip the whole thing off, whoops.
Okay, I'm gonna flip mine.
Flip it.
I think it looks nice. It doesn't look like anything like the jar, but it looks nice. Oh my god, it looks so bad. What the heck is it?
It looks like a blue-faced person with green zits wearing one of those brown hats with a little tail. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can flip this without breaking it. It's very thin. Oh my gosh, look how thin it is, guys. That just broke.
Yeah.
There it is.
That looks more like a jug. All right, guys, vote below if you think mine is better by saying Jug V.
Or Jug Chad, if I've got the better Chug Jug. The loser is gonna destroy their pancake on their Instagram.
Yeah, I guess I would destroy mine on my Instagram because I know mine is not as good as Chad.
Well,
but if you turn it upside down, it looks like a snail, right? So it's like,
it does.
Right? I think you should actually vote for Jug V because it's 2 for 1.
What's next, V?
Pink teddy bear.
Are you ready, V?
Yes, I'm ready.
3, 2, 1, go.
Give this video a like right now if you guys want to see us destroy these pancakes with ninja weapons. It's like Pepto-Bismol pink.
Yeah, it is. This is the fun part, filling in the color.
Okay, I'm done. Of course, always waiting for Chad.
Hey, I'm almost done. I made mine's ears a little lopsided. One's bigger than the other. Whoa!
Look how cute! It's so cute!
That is very cute, actually.
Aww.
Very nice, very
My
nice.
Pepto-Bismol bear. So cute!
Upset stomach, eat the bear. Get ready to be amazed. Flip down, flip it, and reverse it.
Whoa! I didn't know you did the little squiggly thingies.
Little texture, furry texture.
Yeah. She looks a little diseased, but whatever.
What?
Like she has like skin condition or something.
No, it's her fur.
Fur, yeah, like a fur condition. I don't know.
A fur condition.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yours is pretty cute.
Yeah, vote Bear V if you think this is just adorable and you want to eat it.
Or vote Bear Chad if you think it's totally rad. Up next.
Pond Monster.
That's not Fortnite.
I don't even know what that looks like. But Chad, since you took so friggin' long last time on the last round, let's make this a 90-second challenge.
90 seconds?
Yeah, so we can just wrap this thing up and draw whatever you think the Pond Monster is going to look like.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! No one knows what the pond monster looks like, but I know.
You do? Have you caught him? Have you talked to him or what?
He visited me in my dreams.
I kind of think he's not from this planet even, so I think it's something alien-y.
He's got really long white fingernails, like claws.
Okay, so I'm already done. Chad, you only have like 10 seconds left. I'm just gonna count you down. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Too late. I'm cheating. But wait, I didn't get to fill my pond in. This is the pond.
Oh, I see.
Will you allow me to fill in my blue pond with blue water?
I mean, if you're willing to forfeit.
Four-fifths?
Dude, I seriously can't talk.
I guess I really did only draw 4/5 of a pond monster, didn't I? Is that what you were trying to say?
Yeah, so I mean, if you just want to say you just lose.
No, it's fine, it's fine. Just keep it the way it is, it's good. Huh. V, did you ever notice that poster on the wall right there?
No, yeah, I know exactly what it is.
No, look at
I know exactly what poster you're talking about. No, you're not even, I know, it's an empty pond. Don't even try to fill it.
Look at that over there.
You can't trick me.
V, will you go get me that llama squishy real quick? V, the battery's about to die on the camera. Can you go get another one?
Fine.
Okay. Wait, what happened?
You totally cheated, Chad. I mean, you lost this round, man. You lost this round. I'm gonna flip mine, and I'm just gonna pronounce myself the winner.
Ooh! What is that? Must be careful. Don't want to disturb the pond monster. Flip that pond monster! Boom!
Wow!
Whoa!
I mean, you guys have to pretend that this pond is not there because it's not supposed to be.
It's true, I did cheat. I went way over 90 seconds, so if you want to vote for V, I understand. It's always so funny when we hold them side by side. Come on, V! Come on, V! Hold that baby up. I would actually be really scared of that if I saw that in real life. That's pretty scary.
I mean, you should be scared because the skeleton is exposed.
Yes.
And then look at the see-through eyes.
Whoa.
I mean, how scary is that? And what is with this tail?
I don't know if that's a tail or something else. I don't know.
6 legs, you know, so this monster can swim like super fast.
Good job selling your monster there, V. Mine will just speak for himself.
All right, so vote below Pond V or Pond Chad.
Next from the hat, V.
Loot Llama.
And this one is another 90-second challenge. I promise I won't cheat this time, V. 3, 2, 1, go! I don't have time to add an eyeball. I'm just gonna add the whites of the eyes. This reminds me of last week when we made llamas for your video, V. We made the world's largest giant squishy. It was so squishy.
Yeah, mine was awesome.
Mine was even better. Time is up!
Man, these little...
Careful with those legs.
Look at his scrawny legs.
You didn't have enough time to draw better legs.
I didn't.
Those legs are gonna break.
Oh,
hey,
man.
V, break a leg. Careful. Whoa. Oh, you got the arrow.
I did.
Wow, that's really nice. You might beat me this time. Flip. Whee.
Oh, yeah.
He's so cute. He's so cute.
No, he looks like a square. Whatever this is.
Well, yeah, he's a piñata.
All right, guys, vote below Llama V or Llama Chad. Next one is Tesla.
So we recently found a Tesla, if you guys haven't seen that or haven't been following us. It was an abandoned $100,000 Tesla, and then some hacker or some weird person put us up to this challenge. V won it, so V got to keep a Tesla now, but I guess we're drawing a Tesla. I'm gonna use brown instead of black.
So Chad, what do you like most about the Tesla?
I like nothing about it. Since you won it, I don't like it at all. The autopilot's cool, but it really freaks me out because that one time someone took over the autopilot and drove for us and made us go into this creepy like tunnel thing. Wow, you're just so small.
I might start over.
Nope, you gotta keep going, V. You can't start over. Now, I'm gonna fill in my tires here because there's no way these are gonna flip. I'm gonna do some orange. Even though that doesn't really make sense. Who's ever seen orange tires? But I'm gonna have like neon orange tires because I'm cool.
Yours is different.
Different?
Yeah.
As in like amazing different?
It's all right, different. What is this thing right here? This cheesy puff right here.
Cheesy puff?
Yeah, what is that right there?
It's a tire. You criticizing my tire?
Well, it looks like a cheesy puff. Okay, ready to flip mine? Oh no, I smeared! Ah! Why is mine so bad? That's supposed to be a T right there for the Tesla logo, and that's the light.
Oh man, I worked so hard on this. I hope it doesn't break when I flip it. V, are you gonna help me?
Sure. So I really should get some credit for this, right?
Oh, really?
So when you're voting for Chad, you're really voting for the both of us.
Wait, so you're already conceding that you lost?
No, mine's cute. Mine's like cute and adorable. Yours is...
Mine is epic.
It's all right. Okay, let's flip.
Hang on, that white... Oh!
No!
Get out of here. I'll flip it myself, thank you. Trying to sabotage me.
No, I didn't mean to.
Do a little car repair here.
Yeah. I hope Tesla has good warranty.
Yeah. Bumper to bumper, spatula to spatula warranty. V, you can be the passenger of this flip. How about that? Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, does not look good.
I got it. Gotta do it fast. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Ah!
Woo!
Wow. Wow!
Look at that beauty. Don't you want to drive that, V?
Not really, but it's really good.
Practically better than our real Tesla. Do you like my wheels, how they're like sliced oranges?
Yeah.
Wow, it's gonna be a tough vote. Vote down below, Tesla V, if you're blind, or Tesla Chad.
But it's so cute.
V, go ahead and draw another one out of the hat.
Battle bus.
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
Did you ever ride a bus when you went to school, Chad?
Of course, because I lived out in the country, whoo, out by the cornfields. Details are key on this one. You gotta get the windows to be perfect little squares.
Too many colors. I just like to use 2. I just have to use like 7 on this one. It's just too much for my brain to process. Chad, where's your balloon gonna go?
Balloon?
Yeah, on top of the bus.
Uh-oh. I'm kind of out of room for a balloon. I got an idea. Ooh, I got a genius idea. You just wait. V, you're making fun of me and my balloon. Where's your balloon gonna fit?
I mean, I thought it was gonna be little, it's gonna be small, but yeah.
So my genius idea was to put the balloon over to the side and I'll piece them together a little bit later. You ready to flip, V? Okay, let's start with the bus. Gotta be very gentle.
Oh my gosh.
Oh shoot, the bus broke.
Oh no, oh Chad.
Can I lift it up?
Wow.
Ooh, not bad.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Wow. Oh no. Ah, shoot. Not horrible. Ah, it doesn't fit. I made it too big. I've got one more special trick up my sleeve. All right, here we go. Press space. 2 jump. I couldn't fit in 2 jump. Don't do it. Don't do it.
It's happening. Got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I think I should get extra points and you should vote for V bus right now.
Oh no!
I got too confident.
Extra points, huh?
All right, you guys. Man, it's okay. It's all right. It's a sturdy bus.
Can handle a crash off of a plate, huh?
Yep. I actually finished the challenge because I got it on the plate.
Oh, was that part of the challenge?
Oh, of course. I mean, any cooking challenge, you need a plate.
I think you just made that up right now.
No.
Welcome to my restaurant. Here is your plate, sir. There, I plated it.
This is a cooking thing.
Oh yeah, you're a great cook. You know you know what this is called.
It's a cooking spatula.
Wait, is this a spatula? Guys, V thinks this is a spatula.
Anyways, vote Bus V if you think I should win.
Or vote Bus Chad. Next, out of the hat. What do you think about that?
Hacker.
Since we don't know what the mystery man looks like, let's do this one, the blindfold challenge.
Wait, why do I have to do this first?
I'll go first, you go second. You're gonna assist me since I can't see anything.
So you're gonna draw what you think the hacker dude looks like?
Yeah, it might be a girl, okay?
What color do you want?
I want the color of pink. Okay, here we go. Is there anything coming up?
Yep.
Here we go. I'm gonna draw some eyes now. There we go. Now, I need blue.
Oh, okay.
I want my whole face blue.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Now, I think the hacker mystery man has green hair. This is green hair. Boom. Ooh, let me have the purple. I'm gonna spell something. We'll see if you guys know what I'm spelling.
Sure.
Whoa. There we go. I'm now gonna take a look. Oh! Wait, where's the green hair?
Right here.
That ain't green. You gave me white. Oh, you tricked all my colors. B! All right, so what I was trying to draw, guys, was I was trying to write the letter Jack here, but I guess the J didn't come out. Green hair, I was gonna draw Jacksepticeye. Maybe he's the culprit. B, it's your turn. Blindfold yourself, please. It looks like some sort of Oh, I see what you're drawing. CWC!
Done!
What? You think I'm the hacker?
Yes, I think you've been tricking me the whole entire time. You're the hacker.
B! How could you think that?
All right, guys, you should vote Hacker V because mine can actually go on a plate. And
or Hacker Chad if you like my Jacksepticeye there.
Jeez!
Flip!
Chad, you're just making a mess.
The loser of each one of these that you guys vote is gonna have to destroy theirs over on their Instagram. So make sure you're watching those Instagram stories.
At VQuaint.
Or at ChadWildClay.
Shout out to all you notification ninjas. I'm showing your comments right here who showed up in the first hour of every single video. Make sure to check out this video right here if you haven't already. If you wanna see us help the shares, beat the pond monster, click this video right here. Subscribe to me if you haven't already, and of course, subscribe to Chad, and check out this video after you're done with everything. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.
Bye.